First, we have to create a duplicate layer. Then we needed to go to the image that we will set on top of this image. Then we select this image with the pen tool as much as we need it. Then keyboard shortcut press Ctrl plus Enter. Next we will go to edit option and select copy. Then we have to come to the first picture and again we will go to edit option and paste copy. Then keyboard shortcut press Ctrl plus T. Then you set the picture in the right place according to your picture. Next, go to layer and copy layer 2. After that, keyboard press Ctrl plus click on the mark of the copied layer and turn off the eye option for the first two layers. Next, we will go to select option and select modify, then contrast. Select contrast 5 and OK. Next, turn off the eye option for background layers and select layer 1 option and press delete key from keyboard and again press keyboard shortcut Ctrl D and turn on the eye option for layer 2. Then press keyboard Ctrl and select layer 1 and layer 2. Next, we will go to edit option and select auto blend layers. After that, select stack image and OK. Then press keyboard shortcut Ctrl D and turn on the eye option on top layer and create a black mark. So press keyboard Ctrl and click marks layer. Then we will go to brush tool. Next, hardness 0% and opacity 62% and flow 100%. Now brush it according to your image. When your brushing is complete, to remove the marks left on the four sides of the picture, create a layer of the entry layer. For this, press keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. We needed to go to the brush tool. Then you adjust the hardness, opacity and flow according to your image. Brush the entry image well around. After that, again create a layer of the entry layer. For this, press keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Then adjustment, brightness, contrast, you fix them according to your picture. And again adjustment, color balance, again you fix them according to your picture. Press Ctrl and select all layer and press Ctrl shortcut Ctrl G. Next, turn on the eye option for background layer. Now you can see the before picture and the picture after completing our work. Then enter the group and select layers 4. After that, we needed to go to filter, select camera raw filter. Then here you make adjustment according to your image. And OK. So of course you can see that our work is done and the result is before us. Hope the video will be very useful for you. If the video is useful for you and you want to get such videos, then definitely subscribe to the channel and stay with us. Looking forward to another helpful video. Until then, stay well and stay healthy. Thank you.